In a map, 5 centimeters represent 12 kilometers in the real world. If the straight distance from Greenfield to Blue Bay is 75 kilometers, how long will this be on the map? So this is a simple ratio and proportion or direct variation because as the centimeters in the map increases, the kilometers in the real world also increases. So this is a direct variation. So let's put this in a column or in table. So we write centimeter and then kilometer. So for every 5 centimeters on a map, in real world, we have 12 kilometers. And then we have, if the straight distance from Greenfield to Blue Bay is 75 kilometers, so 75 kilometers, how long will this be on the map? Let's say, let's put variable n. Okay? And then just set up the proportion. Okay, so 5 centimeter is to 12 kilometers. So in ratio form or in fraction form, 5 over 12 is equal to n is to 75. Or in column form, this can be also be equal to 5 is to 12 equals n is to 75. So kahit alin sa dalawa ang gusto nyo gamitin. So let's use fraction, just cross multiply. So 12 times n, we have 12n is equal to 5 times 75. So 5 times 75, so let's multiply this. There's no way to lowest term this. So just multiply 75 times 5. We have 5 times 5, 25. 5 times 7 is 35 plus 2. So we have 37. So we have 375. And then divide both sides by 12. So therefore, the value of n is 375 divided by 12. Okay, so let's do this manually. So remember, in civil service exam, calculators are not allowed. So 375 divided by 12, we have 37 divided by 12 is 3. 3 times 12, we have 36. Subtract, we have 1. Bring down 5. 15 divided by 12 is 1. 1 times 12 is 12. So therefore, the answer to this, we can stop here because in the choices, we have 31.25. So the correct answer is letter B. So let's just continue to prove that, the answer is 31.25. Add two zeros, okay? So we have subtract this, we have 3, bring down 0. So 30 divided by 12, we have 2, 2 times 12, 24. Subtract again, we have 6, bring down the last 0. 60 divided by 12 is 5. 5 times 12 is 60. So therefore, the answer is 31.25, letter B. Follow me for more content like this.